Today we took a little trip over to Pembina Gorge State Recreation Area to check it out, and actually discovered some mountains in North Dakota, a little ski resort right next door. Took our mountain dogs.
I'm not sure where we are today, but Sean decided to take a drive, and this is where we ended up. He knows where we are. What is it?
City of Walhalla, 2011.
I love this sound. Look at that.
Gorgeous. There's your moose, baby.
We're like at the Canadian border right now.
Close.
Look how pretty this is. Where are we, Reese? Picnic table. Oh, wrong side, Loon. This is Luna's favorite pastime. Get it. Get it, Luna. Get it.
Beautiful. Pembina Gorge.
Reese.
This is Mama.
Luna's laying down in the shade. It's about 80 degrees, right? Traffic. We got some traffic.
Give them a wave. It's big combines.